guys, today we're going to be picking dares out of a hat, and you have to do it no matter what, but I'm not participating in this one because I have a baseball tryout today, but these fools are.
Alright, so starting off with the first one, got 14 in here. Okay, I have one. Cinnamon Challenger off the bat, dude.
Alright, let's go. Time to go inside.
Alright, grabbing a spoon. Alright guys, got the Cinnamon Challenge here.
I have to perform the I have to do the Heimlich maneuver anytime.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Not even that bad. Tastes good.
Oh my god.
I'm not even kidding.
Look at his teeth. No, show me your teeth.
It's really good, I'm not even kidding.
No, show it. Okay, now it's kicking
Oh my god.
in. Now it's kicking in.
Okay, but that is not as bad as I thought that would be. Alright, Devaj is up next. What do you get? What is it?
Mystery shot.
Mystery shot?
What's that?
I'm just gonna give you a shot with like a bunch of random things in it.
Oh my god. I have an idea.
Alright, so Colin's gonna make it. We of course have to put some sriracha in. Okay, so yes. Yes. Oh, this is disgusting.
The sweetest goes first. So
Alright.
we just did the last.
Alright. Wait. Okay, that's good, that's good. Alright, so next is ketchup. Oh! Alright, one more thing. He's gonna definitely throw up. Okay, that should be good. Fill it with water.
Like all the way?
No. Just where it gets watery enough.
That should be good.
Alright, Devaj, here you go.
This looks like chocolate milk. Bro, I bet you put sriracha on it. It smells like. It smells horrible. Okay, you put ketchup in it. Give me a countdown.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No way! Did you swallow it? Dude!
Did I have to?
Did you actually?
Real spicy.
Alright. Here we go. Jump into mini pool. So we got this pool. It's not even overly hot today. Like I'm not even warm right now, but I'm gonna have to jump into this pool.
Somehow it's 81 degrees.
It's feeling so stupid. Ready?
Yeah.
Alright, jumping in. Again.
Yes, one more time.
Soaks for the rest of the video. Alright, here we go for Devaj.
Water bucket dump from deck.
Oh my god. Ready? You missed it. Okay.
Okay, he got soaked still. Holy crap. Look up.
Dude, that was way worse than the jumping.
Oh, he almost landed it. Yo. Yeah, I mean, that was probably way worse than yours. Bro had his phone. Nah.
Yeah, no.
Is bro shorts wet? Oh.
It's not.
No way. Alright, here we go.
What did he get?
Drink egg yolk. Dude, there's been no social.
Ew, that was disgusting how it went in. Bro almost missed though. Bro clutched up.
I think this man eats raw eggs for a living.
You can't just look.
Soak socks.
Bro, oh my. Alright, go into those and nice one.
It's not even that bad.
Get the bottoms, get the whole sock. Alright, you're good.
Alright, what do you get?
5-star slap, bro. Oh my god. Oh!
this. Lift weights in neighbor's yard.
Yes! Let's go! Yes! Yeah, lift weights in neighbor's yard.
What?
Lift weights in neighbor's yard.
Can you stop me, man? I've been struggling with these.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
You guys do another bet or what? Maybe?
No. Not really.
Keep it going then.
Alright.
You got it.
Thank you.
Alright. Yep.
I got the 5-pound weight.
Yeah,
so
I see
heavy.
that. Go get some tens and then come
Yeah.
back.
Alright. It is.
Eat full spicy pepper.
Yeah.
With the pepper? Right here. Fresh new pepper. Alright, let's see how many Scovilles this is. I think it's 50,000. Crap, dude.
Just do it. Water doesn't really help. Come on.
No, wait this. Oh my god.
I think this is the first time I've seen Evan struggle with spice.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Dude.
If I got this there, I would have died. Next one. Fake COVID test.
COVID test.
Alright, Evan, you need to type a message.
Alright guys, so yesterday, me and Devaj just Devaj failed 2 challenges. There was some technical difficulties, so Devaj is going to do the fake COVID one and the fart one, and then I'm going to do the remaining 3. Alright, so Devaj is going to slap me in the face with some flour. Oh my god, chill!
Dude, that's gonna make it a dare, bro.
Okay.
It's not even a... Get your arms.
Shoot. Oh shoot. Oh no. No way, bro. No.
Really still there.
Why is he still there? Is he actually still? Oh my god, he's still there. He's just standing there.
Sorry.
Alright, so we're at the park now and Devaj is going to do the prank.
Oh my god.
Oh, dude, you're right. It does seem like somebody farted. Oh, jeez. Oh my god, it does seem like somebody farted over here.
See, I
Jeez.
told you. Somebody literally farted. They took a big shot. Why are you laughing? It's not. I know it does smell bad. Someone literally kind of started. Keep spraying. Oh.
Dude, it's out, bro. We had to use so much. It's out.
Oh, there we go. That's better.
Oh, that is so bad.
Oh my god, it's so bad, bro.
Sir?
Hey, have some fun here, Sam.
It's been smelling very bad. Is it probably? You think it's probably that?
Yeah, but I think dead as me too.
Yeah, it does smell very bad. Either something sharded or there's something really bad smelling.
Probably wouldn't be that long.
Yeah.
Do you smell that too?
Not really.
Yeah, it's not like my youngest brother's fart, probably just a little stronger.